Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering ingredients. 2 cups uncooked sushi rice, 2 1/4 cups water, 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 8 to 10 ounces filling, 1 sheet nori per roll, and an 8-inch bamboo mat. Rinse rice until water runs clear, then cook in a rice cooker or pot with 2 1/4 cups water. While rice is hot, fold in 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix gently with a fan to cool to body temperature. To make uramaki, flip the nori so the shiny side faces down on plastic-covered mat, then press a thin layer of rice about 1/2 inch thick onto the nori, leaving a 1/2 inch margin at the far edge. Sprinkle sesame seeds or tobacco on the rice side to coat the outside, then carefully flip the nori so rice faces down and nori faces up. Place fillings, approximately 3 to 4 ounces total, in a centered line. Then use the bamboo mat to roll tightly into a tube about 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 inches in diameter. After rolling, transfer the log to a clean board and moisten a very sharp knife with water. Wipe it dry between cuts to keep clean. Slice the roll into 8 even pieces, using a single forward and back motion for each cut to avoid crushing. Aim for 3/4 inch thick slices. Serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger, suggesting about 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon wasabi paste, and 1 tablespoon pickled ginger per person. And store leftover rolls wrapped.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.